This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by committing to a numeral and a viewpoint. This determines foreshortening and edge visibility. Draw a clean 2D outline with light pencil strokes so you can adjust proportions. Next, establish a depth direction line from the outline. Pick a consistent thickness like 0.52 cm in your drawing scale. Once done, project parallel offset lines from key exterior points to mark the back edges. These create the 3D volume you will refine. Now extrude the number by connecting corresponding points on the front and back outlines with straight, parallel edges. This preserves consistent thickness and reads as realistic volume. Once connected, decide whether edges are sharp, beveled, or filleted and draw those transitions. They sell the 3D illusion. Also define any interior cuts or holes and clean overlapping lines with an eraser. Make firm final contours while keeping construction guide. Finish by choosing a clear light source and mapping values. Identify the lit faces, core shadows, and highlights to model depth. Use gradual midtones on transitional planes and a sharper highlight where planes directly face the light. Add a cast shadow on the ground plane with matching angle to reinforce placement. Once satisfied, increase edge contrast, erase construction marks, and optionally ink or color to secure the form. If shadows look wrong, check light angle and thickness consistency as a troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.